Discover the complete professional process of installing ceramic tile skirting in a bedroom using a laser level for a perfectly straight and modern finish. In this detailed step-by-step tutorial, you will learn how to prepare the wall surface. Measure accurately, mark the installation line with a laser level, apply tile adhesive correctly, and install ceramic skirting tiles with precision like a professional tile installer. This video demonstrates advanced tiling techniques that help create clean edges, smooth alignment, and a high-quality decorative finish that enhances the overall appearance of the bedroom. Watch closely as every stage of the installation is explained in an easy and practical way. From surface cleaning and leveling to cutting ceramic skirting pieces and adjusting corners for a seamless look. Using a laser level allows maximum precision during installation, helping avoid uneven lines and improving the final result. Whether you are a beginner learning ceramic tile installation or an experienced worker looking for professional finishing ideas, this tutorial provides valuable construction tips and practical techniques used in real tile installation projects. In this video, you will also see how to checkmark prepare bedroom walls before installing ceramic skirting. Checkmark use a laser level. For accurate straight alignment, checkmark apply tile adhesive professionally. Checkmark cut ceramic skirting pieces cleanly and accurately. Checkmark install ceramic skirting around corners and edges. Checkmark achieve a modern and elegant bedroom finish. Checkmark improve durability and long-lasting tile performance. Checkmark create a clean decorative transition between floor and wall ceramic tile. Skirting is an important finishing detail that protects walls from dirt and damage while adding a stylish appearance to any bedroom interior. Proper installation using laser leveling tools helps achieve a premium result with professional accuracy. This tutorial focuses on practical craftsmanship, smooth workflow, and modern construction methods to help viewers complete ceramic skirting installation successfully. If you enjoy construction videos, ceramic tile tutorials, flooring techniques, home improvement projects, and professional finishing work, this video will give you useful ideas and real working methods that can improve your tiling skills. Follow along from start to finish and learn how professional installers achieve perfect ceramic skirting alignment with clean and elegant results.
Don't know if I can find my way out. I'm stuck in a prison like that.